Okay.
Hey guys, this is Avocado MuZimba, and today we're back here with another NBA Live 19 EARRAPE edition gameplay. It was requested that I do this again, so here we are. Okay, so I'm going to be going against my brother David. Yeah, let's both be West. I call white this. I call black this time.
Yeah, you're funny.
Alright, so yeah. I'm live streaming.
Broadcasting on PlayStation.
Yeah.
Is my ammo back on?
I don't think so.
Let me check. Oh, he's not. He told me to call him when he's done, so when I'm done, so I'm gonna call him right now.
What were you doing? Were you eating?
Yeah, I was eating lunch.
Alright. Yeah. I'm doing like a ear thing. Yeah. You can check out my channel.
At Advocate.
No, it's Avocado MuZimba.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Yeah.
Well, I'll be muted since I'm gonna be on the phone.
Alright. Let's go. Oh, sorry. Okay, you can get one free shot. Only one. If you miss, that's it. Okay. You made it. Good. Yeet, you thought. No, only one.
Alright.
Kawhi Leonard.
Kawhi.
Let's go. What? Wait, bro. What are you even doing? Your controller did what? Bro, what are you doing? You're not gonna make that, okay? Only Curry can do that. Kyrie Irving can't do it. Yeet. Oh, juked. Aw, come on.
Look, boy.
It's a part, yeah.
What do you call an Arabian that's good at basketball? Osama bin Ballin.
Oh my god, bro. Osama bin balling. Oh man.
Oh my bro, I can never stop saying that without laughing.
No, you should say, oh, what do you call a terrorist that's good at basketball?
What?
What do you call a terrorist that's good at basketball?
What? Osama bin Ballin?
Yeah.
Okay,
That's what you should say. Makes more sense.
Osama bin Ballin. Look, bar. He's shooting. Look, bar.
No, hog my dunk. Huh? Oh, my limo's online now.
Yes, yeah. Invite him to the party. We're gonna play this new anime game called Genshin Impact.
Yeah, I'm muted for the movie.
Hello, Limo? Alright, I'm loading into Genshin. First time. Guys,
Oh.
Shadi said I need my party. Phillips said a party.
Yeah.
Who, me? I did? I only invited you like 3 times. Guys, stop Shadi said I need my party. Yeah, soon, but not now.
Dude,
I swear I remember that company. Muhoyo, I forgot to say it. Muhoyo. Warning, read before. Small, I don't have epileptic seizures. Please skip, please. I don't have epileptic.
Warning, read.
Is this free?
Yes, it's free. Yes, it's free.
Reminds me of Naruto.
Genshin Impact is free?
Yes. Look at the music.
so-
What is it? Is it like an FPS?
No,
No,
it's
it's
like
an
an
RPG.
RPG.
Oh, I think I've seen it, yeah. Yeah, maybe. I'll see.
Can you get your mic out of your...
Oh no, I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Your thing for my channel. I'm live streaming. Like, you can mute me if you want.
Downloading resources. It's not like extremely terrible like Holland, but like downloading
Yo, did you hear
resources.
that, Megan Thee Stallion got shot in the foot?
Who? Oh,
Meg
yeah, I heard
That
about
was so
that.
long ago.
And then
That
they're
was like
saying
2 months
that...
ago.
What? Oh,
That
yeah,
was like
well,
2 months ago.
like, yesterday, I think, they said that Tory Lanez is the one that did it. Or at
Tory
least they're...
Lanez, not Lenez. Lanes.
Lanes. They're accusing him of it.
Well,
I'm 100% loaded in.
I'm
Alright, wait,
just
did
on
you
a white
start?
screen.
Did you press start already?
Yeah, I'm on a white screen. I don't know why.
Me too.
I bet it's like, what's it called? A cutscene. Oh, like a cutscene.
Yeah, it is a cutscene. It's insane.
Bro, this cutscene looks good already.
Yo, are you gonna get, Spider-Man Miles Morales?
Dude, no, I'm muting. I'm muting. I need to watch this. I need to.
Alright, I'll take it. I'll take it out. Are you gonna get Spider-Man Miles Morales?
I need the PS5.
I'm getting it.
No, it's coming out on PS4 too.
Oh, it's on PS4? Oh, okay. I mean, I don't know.
These, I can't believe these are PS4 graphics.
Intro is something different. Select a twin.
Picking the boy.
Yeah, who the hell picks a girl? Just kidding. Enter your name? Sheesh.
I'm putting in Boozy.
I'm putting immaculate. You already know.
MBUZI.
Immaculate. That big got 30 by
Yo, like a couple weeks ago, 6ix9ine went to the
shoot,
hospital.
I have to.
Because
There's more
he overdosed
cutscene?
of
Okay.
coffee and...
No, his sister's gone!
Oh yeah, I'm shouting on him. Oh my, that's like a Naruto cutscene. Oh my gosh, that reminds me so much of Xbox 360.
Yeah, it reminds me of that one scene where Sasuke just slaps Naruto with his lightning in his hand.
When Naruto like uses his right hand and goes on an angle and goes Rasengan!
Just like that, the god took away my...
So while we
What are you even doing? Goku's Spirit Bomb is like a giant Rasengan.
What are you playing?
It's
NBA
not,
Live?
No, I'm talking Rasengan. It's something from Naruto, David. It's not a gun.
Rasengan! Okay, Colin, you're gonna have to go in your room with that Fortnite chat.
I'm not playing Fortnite.
What are you playing? Rogue Company, go play with your little friends.
What
do Collins do? Collins friends play on?
How's school going?
Tell him to play with his friends from school.
What that music is?
I want
I'm in
to
another
skip his
cutscene, by the
talking
way.
scene, bro. He talks for a little bit, and you get to walk around. And stuff.
Look.
Why does she speak of herself in third
I
person?
don't know. I was saying that in my head. She speaks in third person. It's so weird.
Hey, look.
Rotate
This was
camera.
green, right?
Hold
Oh
button to
shoot! I guess
sprint.
they're walking.
Oh, what the fudge? Is it just me or is my... Okay, never mind. It's good now.
Look,
Jump.
that was a
Cool.
green.
Yo.
But then it
Okay.
hit the...
So it's like a story mode?
I guess so. But you can play it online too.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
What was I
B.
supposed to say?
You can attack with B. I mean circle. Why do I say B, bro? I'm so used to it. Ooh, attack. Ooh.
Oh, it's like a
In
story.
combo. In combo.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir. Get away from me. Oh,
I doubt that.
You're gonna play this game today and never play it again. I can just.
Being.
Ooh, ooh. Oh.
Okay. Wait, how do I open the map? No, I didn't pay attention.
Open the world map.
Oh, that's how you do it.
How do you do it?
Did I make it?
You press
Oh, I don't
L1
think I
and then
did.
you go down. It's like, you know.
Okay, yeah. Okay, that's cool. Let me
Is
go
this
to my
split
guide.
screen?
Okay, wait, where do I go?
No, it's not split screen.
Oh, she's all the way up there.
What? What just happened?
Oh, you can run with R1.
Oh, I
Sorry.
jumped in front of
Oh, we
you.
can climb.
Yo, who's screaming?
How do you climb?
You just jump and just start walking, like going.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, like in Uncharted, I guess. I just said like.
I wanna do this. Looks so cool again.
I want to play
Oh, I need
online and like battle people, bro. That's gonna be so lit. I've
Okay.
never played an RPG before in my entire life.
Me either. Wait. What are examples of RPGs?
Like, I don't know. I actually honestly don't know at all.
Role-playing
Like, I
games, right? That's what it's called.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
role-playing
think
games.
so.
I'm trying to think.
I feel like I have before.
I'm trying to think of an example because I know I
That's
played
the
a
statue
lot
of
of
the sun.
RPG games.
Dude, stop talking.
Like with Clash of Clans.
Let me check my
considered as
quests.
RPG?
I don't want to be in there. Here's my inventory. Okay.
Prologue
These
Act
quests?
1. Yo, I'm not even close to finishing this.
Quest started.
I think like yeah, Dragon Ball Z Universe I think would be considered an RPG. Yeah.
I don't think Dragon Ball Z is an RPG.
Well, Xenoverse, maybe.
Wait, Advocate.
Because Xenoverse you can like customize and stuff.
I thought you were talking about ear raping your broadcast.
Oh, I took a break because you.
Wait, oh, you can swim. Shoot.
I was
let me
kidding.
swim.
Our dialect's done, so you can do it if you want.
Dude, oh shoot. Dude, you
Dude,
swim
get
so slow.
man, you did the thing. Why are you doing that? Dry your hands.
Oh, why you swim
They
slow?
couldn't get cutscenes.
You have to swim. You have to run.
Andy Vunza is Rosie Kutiko. Why are you not doing anymore?
Colin, shut up. Colin, oh my god.
Why is Colin duking himself, bro? Dude, I just got powers. What?
You two, I got
Oh
powers.
yeah, I wanted to ask
From
what powers.
the
like-
god of wind.
What?
The statue
got-
of the seven.
Now we got a whole map now. Oh, there's a whole
It's that
city
type of
over there.
RPG like you get. Oh, bro, there's this new RPG that's coming out. It's called
Look, I'm level 2, yes sir.
Immortal Phoenix Rising. Or Phoenix Rising. It looks so good. Like it looks so fun. Because you're not winning. That's why it's not fun. Yes, ma'am.
Oh shoot. Trying to pull up on me. Oh shoot. Holy. Oh, actually.
It's a thing from Naruto.
Oh, you can do all this powers. That's so cool. Yo, these are actually insane.
Harden
Okay,
tries
I
to steal
got
the
a
ball.
bunch of
Kyrie Irving being guarded.
resources,
Harden.
I
Oh,
guess.
Kyrie is about to shoot his shot. He shoots.
That's a
And
blade,
he
huh?
misses.
Purple pump, and it's a press pistol. That's literally what is this? Attack SMG and a hunting rifle.
Pawn, if you don't
Looking
stop.
right.
That's so cool how the sword just like appears on your back whenever you pull it out.
Oh, you almost got that.
Okay, how do you
No.
play online?
Maybe you have to finish the tutorial first.
There is no tutorial.
Not really, I mean, maybe. Not
Or
really
like
a
the first
tutorial, but
quest.
like the first, yeah, probably. Holy, there's a whole dragon! There's a dragon! What is that?
That game sounds lit.
There's a dragon, bro. That is huge. Oh shoot! I'm about to fight my first monsters. Come here, boy.
Oh, oh.
Holy, I'm about to get shot on.
Okay. I
What?
think I
No.
understand it now.
Windblade,
man.
yes, sir.